Okay.
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 I don't fight.
Uh-huh.
No way.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, okay, okay, I don't fight. No way. I just put my hand, pulling him off the waist and pop a bully in the face. Alright.
Okay.
I don't dance.
No way.
I just pulling him off the waist and pop a bully in the face. Him off the waist and pop a bully. All my niggas on deck like Call of Duty. Trick, you fake punk, I make an actual movie. Austin, power my guns and make them feel so groovy. Fuck the cops, start shooting, then collect the drop. Boss man in the town, still setting them shopping. If it's cars and Jews, then I check the spot. I don't like say nigga, cause I keep the Glock. And if you front boy, then you will get popped. Got like 4 goons chopping bricks standing on the block. You already know that we not trying to get knocked. But if you front boy, I'll bring the pump boy. Put it to your back boy, then you gotta ask boy. Think we got a problem? Niggas come to solve them. That 40 on deck with that 38 revolver. If you try to front, best believe I'm gonna harm you. Fuck you, what you say nigga, I'm a piranha.
Stupid ass niggas.
Fuck y'all bullies, man. Bluffing game.
Yeah. Motherfucking putty game.
Alright, okay, okay. I don't dance. No way. I just put my hand off the waist and bust a bully in the face. Put my hand off the waist and bust a bully in the face. Alright, okay. I don't fight. No way. I just pull him off the waist and bust a. Hit the hand off the waist and pop a.
In the face.
Okay. Niggas know I give it up. You could come to the town, you might hear my name. Yeah, because it rained bells, nigga, in the school. I beat your little ass up, nigga, you fool. Guess what? I'm never on my bully. That 357 extra clip in the hoodie. And guess what? I'm back on my grind. I'm on the grind till my mother say it's dinner time. Woo! And guess what? I'm macking with the cheese. I don't eat the cheese, nigga, but I'm macking with your G's. And I'm macking with your bitch. And she's sucking on my dick. And I'm rolling up a split while I'm handing her the grip. Like, go on a mission, go hit him up.
Take care of
You
that.
come to my crib, we gon' get it in.
Come
You
back,
come back, baby. You better come with your twin, cause you know I'ma heat it up over again. Now get him. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
No way.
No way, nigga. I don't fight.
That niggas can't win.
Pussy.
It's A-Hop.
You heard?
And he back at it again.
Okay. Bluffing. Y'all niggas is bluffing. No way, I don't fight, no way. I just pulling him off the waist and bust a pulley in the face. Bust a him off the waist and bust a bully in the face. Pussy. Bully to this dick.